question number 16. Okay, question number 16 says that according to the following reaction, we have here 3 moles of hydrogen reacts with 1 mole of nitrogen to produce 2 moles of ammonia, NH3. If the mass of reacted hydrogen 30 gram, so the number of moles of reacted nitrogen is. We want to get the number of moles of reacted nitrogen. Okay, we will make calculation for it. 3H2 plus N2 to get 2NH3. Okay, we will make our calculation. We have here 3 times 2 times 1 and the nitrogen 2 times 2 times 14. So the right answer will be here 6 gram, and here the molar mass will be 28 gram. And we want to get the mass of 30 gram reacted hydrogen with what mass we want. We wanted to get nitrogen. So we make cross multiplication. So x equal 28 times 30 divided 6, and the number of moles so will be the mass here 140 gram. Okay, and so we take it number of moles equal mass over molar mass. We take 140 here divided the molar mass of nitrogen. So the right answer will be 5 moles of what? 5 moles of nitrogen. So the right answer here will be 5 moles. We are going to question number 17. Okay. Okay, question number 17 says that according to the following reaction, we have here 2x2 plus y2 that give 2x2y. If 36 moles of gas x2 reacted with amount of y2 gas, so the number of moles of gas produced from the reaction will be what moles? We want to get the number of moles at the end. Okay, starting with first, we have here 2x2 plus y2 that produce 2x2y. Okay, we wanted to get 2x2 that produce 2x2y. Okay, at first we have here 36 moles of x2 and produce what we wanted to get the number of moles here. So we will make cross multiplication between them. So we have 2 times 36 divided 2, that the right answer will be the same number of moles, and we have here 36 moles. I think it's easy question as we get a lot of problems on it. Okay, we are going to question 18. Okay, question 18 says that if the molar mass of hydrated copper sulfate CuSO4 dot XH2O equal 249.5 gram, so X value will equal what? We have here atomic mass of copper 63.5, sulfur 32, hydrogen 1, and oxygen 16. Okay, starting at first we will take copper sulfate CuSO4 dot XH2O. We have here the molar mass of total including X. We have 249.5 gram. Okay, we will calculate the mass of only molar mass of copper sulfate without the molar mass of water. Okay, we will take it 63.5 plus 32 plus 4 times 16. Okay, so it will give to us here the right answer will be what? Will be 5 moles at the end of calculation. Okay, we will divide the result over the molar mass of water 18. We will divide the result over 18, and so we get the number of moles of X in the hydrated copper sulfate will be what? Will be 5 moles. Okay, we are going to another question number 19. Here we have question 19 says that the mole of molecular formula CaCl2, and what we want to compare the mole of molecular formula or NaCl, and we have here the atomic mass of chlorine 35.5 and sodium 23, calcium 40. Okay, we will calculating to make the comparing between them. Here we have calcium calcium chloride CaCl2, we have 40 plus 2 times 35.5, and sodium chloride 23 plus 40, so it will give 111 gram and the other one 63 gram. So the calculation, make sure that here we have the number of moles here, or the mass of 1 mole of calcium chloride higher than the number of moles of what, of sodium chloride. Okay, we are going to the last question of our booklet today. Question number 20. Okay, we have here hydrogen peroxide decompose to form water and oxygen gas. According to the following reaction, it's an easy reaction that we taken it in 6 primary. If we want to prepare oxygen, that we take hydrogen peroxide in the presence of manganese dioxide as a catalyst that produce water and oxygen. So here we have hydrogen peroxide 2H2O2 give 2H2O water and oxygen gas. How many moles of oxygen produced? This is number A. How many moles of oxygen produced from the decomposition of 5 moles of hydrogen peroxide? Okay, starting we will take the equation, okay, and we have here 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide and 1 mole only of oxygen. So we take 5 moles of hydrogen peroxide and we want to get X moles of oxygen. We will make cross multiplication. X will be equal 5 times 1 divided 2, so we get 2.5 moles. So the answer of number A will be 2.5 moles. The other one here, number B, hydrogen peroxide, we want what is the mass of water produced from the decomposition of 100 gram of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, here we have 2H2O2 to get the water, the same number of moles 2H2O. Okay, at first we make the molar mass or calculate the molar mass of each one, including the number of moles. So it will get 68 gram here, and here we have 36 gram. And we put the 100 gram of hydrogen peroxide, and we want to get the X gram of what, of water. Okay, we will make cross multiplication here. 36 times 100 divided 68, so the mass of water produced here will be 52.94 gram of water. Okay, this is the last question. Okay, this is the last question of our booklet today from El-Maosoa book. Okay, we are going to solve a lot of questions or a lot of questions about unit 2. Hope you enjoy our lesson today. Wait for a lot questions. Thank you for joining.